Well, hi there folks, this is my Dancing Wings Mini Eagle, 1.2 metres wingspan, EPP foam, great fun to fly. Had a little outing yesterday and flew with the big boys, some really big gliders, excellent soaring conditions, strong wind, bit strong really for this, but I did actually get some nice video of it, and I'd mounted a little keychain cam on here, special little mount I made that will actually rotate. And I'm flying it around, banking to the left, turning the pot on my transmitter to the left, thinking that I'm actually turning the camera to the left. But unfortunately, the servo had been reversed and it was actually turning right. So all I was getting was even more view of the prop. All the same, I got some nice video and I'll do a better pre-flight check next time. Well, the Dancing Wings Eagle has been around for several years and they're still producing it, which I think shows what a successful model it's been. It's a great fun flyer, and I think at the price, £56 or so, including the motor, lots of bits and pieces, I think it's a very good deal. Easy to fly, but make a good plane for a beginner, if I can call it a plane. Looks great in the air, and I'll put a link to it in the description below. Anyway, my video's coming up now. Any questions, stick them down in comments below, and if you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and if you're not a subscriber, why not subscribe? But here we go, let's get on with the video. Bit of a breezy day and some big RC sailplanes up, so she was up there flying with the big boys in a strong wind but doing exceedingly well. Right, here's the video. Up at the strip again folks, the buzzard is going to have another outing, so wish me luck. It's a bit slightly strong wind for it really, but wish me luck. I reckon it's going to be too windy for it now. Wait for a lull. This is back and I can barely penetrate. Oh, throttle back a bit. Well, she soars now. there we go. How about that? Well, a bit windy for that. I hope the camera was recording, because there should be some good footage. And by golly, it was recording. So, should be some good results from that. That's one of my little old keychain cameras there from, God, 10 years ago. But pretty good. And they still make and sell this. Put a link to it down below, because what a great bit of fun flying that is. I think that's about all we can do today. But thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll catch you all again soon. Bye for now.